Catalina 134 RKX is the ultimate fully equipped lightweight that sleeps 4. At a length of 16 feet and weighing in at 4,281 pounds gross, it's easy to tow with an SUV or a half-ton truck. Outside you'll find 2 access doors to basement storage and an 8-foot awning. Inside there's a 54 by 74 inch queen bed with a shelf and storage area. Included is a 13,500 BTU air conditioner heat pump and a gas-electric water heater. The 5-foot jackknife sofa sleeps 2, and there's a shelf overhead with bins. The rear corner kitchen has a microwave, a 2-burner stove, and a deep farm-style sink. The dry bath has a 24 by 32 inch shower. The 3.3 cubic foot refrigerator is 12 volt.